Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your nails looking from crusty to beautiful pastel French gel extensions using products I found off of Amazon. This is the kit that I've been using in most of my nail looks or tutorials, and it's from Beetles. It's currently about $26. The prices fluctuate, so I do suggest hopping on it before you guys miss out on the really great deal. It comes with 500 pieces, including the nail tips in sizes 1 through 10. It comes with a USB cord that connects into anything that has a USB port. I highly suggest using a lamp like this one. I have seen it sold separately for $20, and again the kit comes with the glue, the tips, and the lamp for $26, so you get a really good deal. And as always, the link to everything will be in the description box down below, or you guys can visit my Amazon storefront. I'm using this lamp that I just purchased off Amazon. It was around $20. It comes with a clip and a gooseneck, which is great because you can manipulate it if you're doing your nails on the couch like I usually do. It also rapidly dries everything that is under this lamp, so it just makes for a faster process. Then you're going to take the tips of your choice. These are the ones I'm going to be using, and they are short coffin style nails. I'm also going to grab my dehydrator. This is the one that I've been using recently. I know I've showed you guys another one. Not one is better than the other. This is just the one that I'm using currently. And you're going to apply that to your natural nails and also to the tips where the gel will be applied. This is just like a quick liquid etch, if you will, without having to use a drill to do sanding that you can potentially hurt yourself or damage the product. So I like that method so much better than having to do all of the extra filing. Next, you're going to grab your nail glue, and again, this is from Beetles. I believe there are different brands who have nail glue out there, but this is the one that I have experience with, and if you follow the exact instructions that I'm giving you, they should last up to 2 weeks. You're going to apply just a small bead to the nail tips, like so, starting at the cuticle line with firm pressure moving forward. This is going to completely cover the entire nail plate, and then you're going to put that right underneath the light. The light that I'm using does not automatically turn off, so it just needs maybe about 15 seconds under light, if that, because it's so fast. If you're using the kit, you're going to wait until the light turns off, and then you can move on to the next nail. After I've applied all of my false tips to my nails, I'm going to give them another quick zap, flip over my hands, and make sure I cure the bottoms as well. If you need to, you can clip and shape your nails. I'm just going to buff that out and clip any of the extra glue that might have come out of the border that I want on my nails. And then we're ready for paint. Now, depending on what you're using, you can use a gel polish or regular polish, but I'm using gel today, so I used a base coat, and then we're going to go in with our color. I'm using a set also from Beetles. This is a pastel set. I'll make sure to provide a link to everything below, and you don't have to use blue on your thumb. You can definitely pick any colors that you want. This is just what I'm going to be doing at random using a brush that I got from Elf. That is also from Amazon, or you can find it on Amazon for like $1 or $2. And I am totally obsessed with how it's coming out. The shape of this brush in particular really helps me to carve out that arch that you want to create when you're doing the French tip look, and it's just so much easier. I've seen other nail techs use like a striper tool, and it's just a lot easier for me to use this particular brush. You're going to cure it under the light, and then you're going to apply your top coat. This is my favorite. I buy it in a set, top coat and a base coat, or I think they call it a foundation coat, which is the base coat, and they sell it in a set, and it's my favorite. I buy them so often because I use them quite often, and you will cure them under the light, and of course finish off with some cuticle oil because of all the acetone you're using to clean up any of the messes. You want to rehydrate the skin around your nails. And this really just gives a little bit more of like a pampering, professional finish to your manicure, and without stopping, without editing, without having to explain what I'm doing and making sure that the camera is showing every little detail. This would have literally taken me maybe 15 minutes, opposed to being in the salon for hours waiting. I just hope that you guys will give it a shot and let me know what you guys think in the comments or maybe on social media. Don't forget to follow me everywhere. The links to everything and all my information will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!